Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show about how to upload HTML website on internet for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, as you can see into our Visual Studio Code, we created a website and the website looks like this. So we will going to upload it into the internet. For that, we need to create a new tab, and into the new tab we can simply type Netlify. We can click on enter, and then here we'll get this website called www.netlify.com. So we're going to click on that, and then here we're going to click on sign up, and after that you can see there is three options to sign up, but I will going to go for sign up with email. So we click on that, and then here I'm going to provide my email address, and then I'm going to give my password and then sign up. And then here you can see there will be check your email option, so I'm going to go for our Gmail. And then here you can see notify, let's verify your email, that is showing. So if you click on that and click on verify email, and as you can see that we rightly opened our sign up, and then here I just need to give my name. So for that I'm going to name it as Mehdi Hassan and my name. And then for the personal use, for how are you planning to use Netlify, going to click on personal, and then from here I can simply give personal site and going to give other. I don't have any team, that's why I don't need to give a name for the team, and then continue to deploy. And then here I just need to skip this step for now. And as you can see right now we rightly opened Netlify, and as you can see there is two options called import from Git or browse template. And then into the deploy manual side you can simply upload your file, and that can helps you to live your website. So for that I'm going to click on browse to upload, and from here I'm going to select my file, click upload, click on upload, and as you can see it's now uploading, and as you can see get started. And as you can see right now we added our website that we created, and now if we just simply click on that, click on this site, and as you can see our website is rightly opened into our computer. So you can simply copy the site from here, you can simply copy it. You can also open it from another browser. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Edge, and now going to paste the website link and then click enter, and as you can see that so now as you can see it's rightly live in our computer in internet. So as you can see it's rightly live on internet, and you can simply do these steps to live your HTML website in internet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.